Unit 8, Conjunctions. Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 22 and repeat the reading out loud. When you first learn English, you need to talk slow. If you rush, you will make mistakes. It is important to talk excellently, that is to say, selecting your words, pronunciation, and structure carefully. I know it can be hard sometimes, but it becomes easier if you practice. Never miss a chance to use your English skills, for you need to see what you're capable of. Ask questions or talk to others in your target language to improve. You want to learn English, so this is the moment to start. I am sure that tomorrow you will thank yourself because you did everything you could to learn. Since time will pass anyway, you better spend it learning something useful.